So first, we're provided with a little bit of information about the 4 possible suspects, people who might have killed Amy. So here's what we know. Amy LaTour's body was found in her bedroom last night, as shown, with her pet canary is a bird, strangled in its cage. Henry, Willie, and Joe Wanty, her boyfriends, Louis Spanker, a burglar known to have been in the vicinity, and Celeste, her maid, were questioned by the police. Based on your initial analysis of the crime scene, which of the 4 suspects do you believe committed the murder of Amy LaTour? Be sure to explain why you think so. So, you're answering this question in yellow, but you're analyzing this information above. Was it one of her 2 boyfriends? That should stick out in your mind, because why does somebody have 2 boyfriends? Could that cause a problem? Louis Spanker is a burglar, so he might have been trying to rob Amy and then something went wrong. Or Celeste, her maid. Her maid would have easy access to her room and maybe a reason to dislike her boss. So these are all possible reasons that one of these 4 people might have killed Amy LaTour. Your job right now is to predict which one you think it's going to be and then explain why. So I did a little prediction on Celeste. I predict that Celeste committed the murder of Amy LaTour because she had easy access to Amy's bedroom and might have disliked her boss. Right, so now I've made a prediction and I have explained why. So you guys need to predict whether it's Henry, Joe, Louis, or Celeste. But later we're going to get a lot more evidence to make our decision.